Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through how to check the availability zone in AWS. Whether you're setting up your infrastructure or just curious about the various zones, knowing how to check this information is a fundamental skill when working with Amazon Web Services. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your AWS Management Console. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the screen. This is an incredibly handy tool for navigating AWS, especially if you're managing multiple services or unfamiliar with the interface. Go ahead and type EC2 into that search bar. As you type, you'll see a list of suggestions appear. Select EC2 from this list to be directed to the EC2 dashboard. Now that you're on the EC2 dashboard, you'll see a layout that provides a variety of information about your EC2 resources. For our purpose today, focus your attention on the service health area. This is usually located near the top or center of the dashboard. Here, you can get a quick overview of the operational health of your services. AWS provides this information to ensure that you are always aware of any issues that may affect your resources. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, scroll down the page until you find the Zones Summary box. This section is key for understanding the availability zones within your chosen region. It contains a structural layout that lists specific zones, such as US East 1A, US East 1B, and US East 1C. These zones are essential for deploying your applications with redundancy and high availability. The layout not only shows the zones, but also provides real-time operational health status. This means you'll be able to see if a particular zone is operating smoothly or experiencing any issues. Understanding which zones are available and their current status can greatly influence how you deploy resources. For example, if a zone is experiencing downtime or issues, you might choose to deploy your resources to another zone to ensure continuity and performance. This kind of insight allows for smarter planning and resource allocation. As a quick tip, always ensure that you're looking at the correct region for your needs. AWS has multiple regions worldwide, and each region contains multiple availability zones. You can change the region by selecting a different one from the drop-down menu near the top right of the console. This drop-down is easily accessible and lets you switch between regions seamlessly. In summary, understanding how to check availability zones in AWS is crucial for managing your resources effectively. It gives you the ability to make informed decisions about where to deploy your applications and helps ensure that they remain accessible and reliable. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AWS tips and guides. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and we'll do our best to get back to you. Happy cloud computing, and see you in the next video.